Welcome to our channel. If you need to send money urgently, follow these step-by-step instructions to wire funds quickly while minimizing costs. Step 1. Understand that wire transfers are electronic transfers sent through secure bank networks. Domestic wires arrive same day, while international wires take 1 to 5 business days. Step 2. Gather required information, including recipient's full name, bank name, account number, and routing number. International wires require additional SWIFT codes and bank addresses. Step 3. Visit your bank branch or log into online banking to initiate a wire. Many banks allow domestic wires online but require in-person visits for international transfers. Step 4. Verify all recipient information is completely accurate before sending. Wire transfers are nearly impossible to reverse once sent, so errors can result in lost funds. Step 5. Compare wire transfer fees at your bank versus alternatives. Banks typically charge $15 to $50 for domestic and $30 to $80 for international wires, while services like Wise cost less. Step 6. Consider alternatives to bank wires for lower costs. Services like Wise, OFX, or PayPal's Exum often provide better exchange rates and lower fees for international transfers. Step 7. Understand cutoff times for same-day processing of domestic wires. Most banks have 2 to 3 p.m. deadlines for same-day wires, with later requests processing the next business day. Step 8. Keep your wire transfer receipt with confirmation number for your records. This documentation is essential if problems arise or you need to trace the transfer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.